But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today I'll be trying out the Proscenic P11 Mopping Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This unit is more than just your typical vacuum cleaner. It's got a detachable mopping base and over 35 kilopascals of strong suction power. It's completely wireless and charges quickly using the wall-mounted charger. It comes with a vacuum head, the mop head, a few different accessories, and an extra filter. The battery is completely removable, and if you have a second one, you can multiply your runtime. You can expect almost an hour of runtime off a single battery. The vacuum is extremely quiet and has a nice LED screen with easy touch controls. The vacuum pipe is telescopic and fully adjustable. All the accessories snap on easily. You can remove them with just a touch of a button. The vacuum head spins quickly and is powered by the 400-watt vacuum. This vacuum comes with a variety of accessories to meet any of your needs. This vacuum head is great for small cracks and crevices, and the brush head works excellent on pet hair. This is not your typical vacuum cleaner. It's got a removable mop head, so you can vacuum and mop at the same time. The mop head can be filled with water or cleaning solution, making it extremely convenient. The vacuum head is also equipped with bright LED lights. This vacuum is small and compact, but extremely powerful. It works great for any floor surface, and it has a 180-degree swivel steering system, so you can maneuver it around furniture. The adjustable vacuum pole is a nice feature as well. Like I said before, this vacuum accessory is great for getting in those cracks and crevices. The display screen will tell you your battery life, vacuum power, and more. The brush head is also great for cleaning delicate areas. This vacuum works on any floor type, including carpet, tile, hardwood, and so much more. The swiveling vacuum head allows you to make tight turns and get right up close to the wall. This vacuum performs extremely well, even on textured tile like this. The detachable mop head is easily filled with water or cleaning solution. It's got a large 340 ml tank, which should be more than enough to mop any floor. The water doesn't leak, and only comes out when the mop head is pressed on the floor. It attaches easily to the vacuum head. The vacuum will first pick up the debris, and then the mop head will clean the floor right after it. The mop can be used with or without the vacuum. It's entirely up to you. And now for the fun part, the vacuum challenge. I'm throwing a jar of sand on the floor to see how the vacuum is going to perform. takes only 2 passes with the vacuum to pick up this entire mess. Once you're finished cleaning, the vacuum chamber can be emptied with ease. The filters are easy to replace as well, and you'll get a second one with your vacuum. This entire chamber can be disassembled for easy cleaning. It snaps right onto the vacuum and is ready to go again. I was highly impressed by the Proscenic P11 mopping vacuum. If you'd like to learn more about it, check out the link below, and thanks for watching.